Rick Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts. He's going to teach some combat effective Tai Chi techniques right now.
Sure, sure. So what we're working on today is, if you've trained in Tai Chi at all, you should be familiar with Peng Lu Ji An Cai Lie Jiu Kao. Those are the 8 energies. And we're going to be doing a combination of Peng, Cai, and you could say Ji, okay? When Joe comes in with a jab, I'm going to use Peng to intercept, okay? I'm going to hook then and pull down with Cai, and I follow it up with Ji straight to the throat. So the idea is I'm kind of intercepting and redirecting with my Peng, and then I hook, I'm just grabbing with these 2 fingers really right above the elbow, so I don't have to get a good grip. I'm just pulling down with Cai, and then I just follow his arm right up and straight into the throat.
Say if he misses that and I'm just jabbing, this is still a defense. But actually when he engages, I actually can't get that back to my guard position. But if he misses it, big deal, it's still a defense. When I'm overextending, he's going to catch me.
Yeah, yeah.
So here. And you're just doing some, what is this?
Well, this is the Ji part.
This is like a circle throat? I mean, this is like a take the
Ji is actually a squeezing technique, is what it's translated as. So Peng is ward off, Cai is plucking, and then squeezing is Ji.
When he gets a hold, I actually can't stop that. His whole body is together.
Yeah. Anytime I can get a hold of anything, I can use Cai to disrupt him. So it doesn't matter which hand it is, even if he comes with the back, and it's with my front that I'm getting it, I can still, instead of just blocking it, if I can actually get a hand on it, I can use Cai. Yeah.
Cross again?
So here.
Oh yeah. I'm in a position I don't want to be. I'm off balance.
Peng
can be inside or outside?
Peng is, it's ward off, and it's illustrated as an upward motion, but it's actually all outward motion.
Circular,
is Peng. So even if I'm striking, there's Peng involved in it. So even that Ji coming forward, that squeezing, there's Peng involved. You can't have any of the other 8 energies without Peng there.
It's like
kind
of that outward.
It's like the all-encompassing, and then the variations of direction.
Sure. It's just disrupting me enough to get that arm down.
Here?
Exactly. I actually tried to get out of it there. Perfect. Now cross.
Cool. There, I came in with his hand this time. It's already up. So I'm going with it, because I could come on up.
Yeah.
But since I already have this one available, when he comes in, I'm pulling him in, I'm coming in here.
And that could be a fight ender right there for sure.
Right.
That's awesome.
I'm not going to throw you, but just to use the cross.
You can throw me, you owe me one.
So if he's coming in with a cross and I get him forward, instead of just striking, I can actually...
Oh, yeah. Cow?
Cow.
Oh, wow. Can you do it one more time?
Okay.
We're here. Oh, yeah.
So
all the way off camera.
So I'm pulling him into my cow. So there's that technique.
Yeah. I feel like the ping pong. Yeah. That's cool.
Colliding with an unstoppable force.
Yeah.